Okay, I'm finally getting around to hooking up the dash cam using the Dongar adapter and the Garmin Mini 2 dash cam, just because that's what I got for Christmas. So that's what we're rolling with this time. The adapter is pretty easy. I mean, once you get all this plastic trim piece off, take the left off first, push the right out to the side. This top piece, you can see these two prongs, they come straight down. Sticker Fab has a really good video, and I've seen a few other ones out there. So if you need help with the plastic, refer to those. But I mean, it comes off pretty easily. I used a trim tool just because I usually break shit. So, but you can see the Dongar adapter right here. You basically just unplug it. There's a little tab you press in, pull it out, pop this side in, pop that side in. You'll hook up this little thing, which goes to your USB, and then that's your dash cam adapter. And then I also have an R8, Uniden R8 radar detector that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this Sticker Fab mirror tap. I have the blend mount and the blend mount taps too, but I like the idea of having this switch kind of built in. And it just was pretty straightforward and simple to use. So that's kind of what it's going to look like. What I'm going to do now is take these two, and it's pretty simple. You just go red to red, black to black, right on the back of our main connector here. So this is your factory connector. Red positive, black negative. You just simply take these two prongs and stick them in the back there, and then we'll plug in the dash cam and the radar detector and make sure we didn't screw anything up or blow a fuse. The only thing that I'll kind of say here too is, like, the Dongar adapter has a lot of cumbersome wires. It's probably kind of longer than it needs to be, but you'll kind of have to reroute this plug and connector to where it's not going to interfere with the trim. So what I'm going to do is have my dash cam come down on the driver's side, my dash cam wiring, and then I'm going to take the mirror tap, and like I see it in most pictures and videos, just run it through the passenger side. Right over here. So red to red, black to black. Here's a quick close-up. I mean, it was kind of hard because my fingers are a little frozen, but you have to kind of wiggle and push gently. Black to black, red to red, closest to the driver's side. And success. So looks like a mess right now, but as soon as you turn it on, your dash cam will make a beep sound. It'll have this red light indicator that it's good to go. At first, the Uniden didn't pop on, and that's because I had the manual switch pressed on this Sticker Fab mirror tap here. So everything seems to be working and good to go. I'm going to mess with these wires and hiding them in this mess, and then I guess set up the plastic trim that we took off again, stick the dash cam, use the blend mount. It's already kind of ready to rock and roll, so it should be able to just go right over the top of this and then tighten down, in theory. We'll see how it goes. Real quick, I just wanted to video. Well, okay, cool. Haven't heard that until just now. Don't even know what that is. But I just wanted to make sure this was all going to power down at the same time when I turn this off. Yep. Sweet. I didn't screw anything up. So for any of you that are going to be running this setup, at least you know how it's done. I mean, so far I've talked to some people in the Integra Type S group that have the Garmin Mini 2, but I'm not sure if they had a radar detector hooked up the same way, or they had this radar detector but they had the FitCam X, which is what I was going to purchase anyway, actually. But like I said, I got this for a Christmas gift, and I'm definitely going to use it. So everything's working all good. I think if anything in the future, I might just use this in the rear. I'll get the FitCam X dash cam on the front, and I'll just use this in the back because it's just a nice little discreet suction cup for the rear. But we'll get to that in the future, because first, race car. A couple of notes on this that I just want to say. do this on a sunny day instead of a cloudy day. We could see better or have some lights set up. Really, the trickiest part for me was getting this thing back together. But I'm also being kind of precautious because the whole windshield's tinted. And it's wet, so now I'm gonna have to like wipe all this down to actually get the suction cup to stick, because that's the only way I can actually get this onto the windshield. So I'll do that, and then I'll mess with the blend mount. But yes, sunnier the better, less wet, obviously, if you're gonna be sticking anything. Besides the dash cam, I'll have to stick this switch to like the outside trim piece or something. I'll figure that out after I get the blend mount situated, but just wanted to give you a heads up.
Mute memory deleted.
Whoops.